So this is our alarm clock that we made a month or two ago. I've used it for quite a few times because when I start working on something, I don't care about the time. I'm just like that from the beginning. So I used the alarm clock to remind me that an hour has passed. Although it works fine, but I encountered that it can't set an alarm for reminding certain things on certain days. So today we are going to build this alarm clock so that it can set alarms for future. So it's pretty easy to do. First, define another variable to pick up the date or day.
That's what she said.
With a message when. After that, give a condition for today. So if date variable gets input for today, then date variable will be datetime dot datetime dot now dot day. Give another condition for tomorrow in case you need to remember something for the next day. Same condition as before, just replace today with tomorrow. Then date will be datetime dot now dot day plus 1. That means current day plus 1, which will set the input for the next day. Hey, if you are enjoying so far, please hit the like button. Also change if to elif. Now we need to modify the triggering part a bit. Before alarm hour, write date double equals to datetime dot now dot day end. So the alarm will be triggered when date variable is current day, alarm hour is current hour, and alarm minute is current minute. Now if we run it and set an alarm for today, at 1:47 a.m. Now we wait for the moment and okay, it worked. Now it's kind of a pain to input every single thing of time in this program. So let's make it so we don't have to input every single thing of time and just input the time at once. Let's get rid from all the inputs for inputting alarms, hour, minute, and also the filter for AM and PM. Now define a variable for getting the time. Write a message, set alarm at, then erase alarm hour and minute part from alarm triggering condition and write time equals double equals to, then give brackets, and in the brackets write datetime dot now dot string format of time, which will get the string format of time, and in the bracket give parenthesis and percentage I colon percentage m and percentage p, and after the bracket say dot lower. Now run it. Today set alarm at, by the way, give 0 before every single digit number from 1 to 9. Yeah, it's a limitation in this input variable. We have to write 0 before numbers from 1 to 10. If we eliminate 0 by replacing it with an empty string, the program won't know whether it's 1 or 10 or 5 or 50, 2 or 20, and so on. So don't replace 0, just input before these single digit numbers. So set alarm at 1:52 a.m. Hit enter to set, then hit enter to set the alarm. So it works perfectly. Now, can it set alarm for tomorrow? Yes, it can, and here is the proof. So guys, as you can see, it's 11:56 of 5th September 2021. I have set it for tomorrow. Let's see if it works or not.
One eternity later.
Okay guys, just a minute has been left to alarm to be triggered. Let's see if it works or not. Now, how can it set an alarm for a specific date? Well, it's easy. First, copy the condition and paste it underneath it. Change if to elif. Then come here after now.day, erase day, then says strft time, and in the bracket give parenthesis, then write percentage m dash percentage d dash percentage y. Wait, now you guys might be asking why I wrote this code instead of .date. First, let me show you how it prints the date with .date method. So as you can see, it printed the date in year, month, day format. So in real world, we don't use this format to write date. We use American date format, which is month, day, year. For a common user, he won't know the date format that Python uses. So in order to solve the problem, I I wrote the date in string format of time and configure it so that the user doesn't get confused and the program will know the date format. Now the question rises, will it work? Well, let's print it. Then run the program. As you can see, it printed the date in American date format, so it will work. But as I said in the previous part of this video, the input 0 before every single digit number, or this also won't work. With that said, let's set an alarm for 9/7/2021 at set alarm at 1:58 a.m. Hit enter. Okay, it worked. So that's all for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and turn on that notification bell, and also follow us on Instagram to get access to more content. And we hope to see you guys in the next one.